Good morning, students. How have you spent your weekend? I hope you are safe at home. Myself, Mrs. Naira Sheikh, your English 1 teacher, has come up with a new video. Our today's topic is It's Only a Matter of Practice. Students, you would have heard your parents and your teachers say that practice makes a man perfect. So in the same manner, students, the more we do practice about something that you want to remove a mastery in, the more perfection you achieve. This story, students, is about an archer called Chen Yaozi who used to live in China. Long ago, in faraway China, there lived an archer called Chen Yaozi. He was a very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. Skilled means an experienced person, someone who is good at something. Archer means someone who shoots arrows from the bow out. You can see the image, students. Chen Yaozi is shooting an arrow from the bow. He's called an archer. Feats is achievements that require a lot of skill, a lot of strength, etc. in them. He could hit the target precisely at the center even when it was placed at a very long distance. So he was such an expert in doing this, students, that from a long distance also he could hit the aim at the proper time. He liked to show off his skills to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. So he was feeling very proud. He was very proud of himself that he was such a good archer. So he used to like people admiring him and praising him. So he used to show his talent in front of everyone. One day he was practicing his skill in front of many admirers when he noticed an old man standing at the back. So while he was performing his skill, he noticed that there was an old little man who was standing at the back. The man was carrying gourds of oil that were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. Gourds. Now you'll ask me, what is gourds? So gourds are containers that are made from dried large fruit that have a hard skin. All the other people were clapping their hands praising Chen Yaozi. So the moment he showed his fleets to the people, everyone were really admiring him and clapping their hands and praising Chen Yaozi. But the old man who was there was just standing quiet, looking at him and just nodding his head. He didn't say anything. But this old man was quiet. He neither clapped nor uttered words of praise. Uttered means to give an audible expression to or said. To say something means to utter something from your mouth. He just stood there nodding his head and said, "It's just a matter of practice." To nod means to shake your head side by side. That's called nodding. So what this old man did was, he was just nodding his head side by side and he didn't say anything. He just kept quiet. The only thing he mentioned was, it's only a matter of practice. Chen Yaozi was annoyed. He got very angry. Are you an archer yourself? Do you think anyone can do what I do with my bows and arrows? So he was so angry that in irritation he said, what do you think of yourself? You think anyone standing out here is as good as me, who can play and who can work with their bows and arrows? And I don't doubt your skill. All I said was everything is a matter of practice. So he said, I'm not having any doubts. All I'm saying is whatever you are doing is only a matter of practice. Chen Yaozi became very angry. What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you? So in irritation, these are the words that Chen Yaozi told the old man. Thoughtless comments means a statement that is made without thinking. When you say something when you don't think about it, it's called making thoughtless comments. Please don't get angry, sir. I'm an oil seller, as you must have guessed from the gourds. So he said, don't get angry on me. I'm only an oil seller. Looking at my gourds, you would have understood that. Guessed means to form an estimate. To form an estimate, to think or to guess something without knowing the fact. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. So he tells Chen Yaozi, please don't get angry on me. I'm an old man who's selling oil in these gourds. I go door to door to other people to sell my oil. So please don't get angry. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. If you allow, I shall show it to you. So he said, in so many years that I'm selling oil, I have achieved one skill. If you permit me, if you give me the permission, if you allow me, then I am prepared to show you my skill. Growled Chen Yaozi. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. So everyone that was standing there, everyone looked at him in surprise and curiosity to know what would happen next now. To growl, growled is to make a low, rough sound. Usually a person makes the sound in anger. Patiently, the old man set down an empty gourd on the ground. So very patiently he took out his empty gourd and he placed it onto the ground. Then he put a small coin onto the mouth of the gourd. See the image, students, in this manner. The coin was placed onto the gourd. In those days, small coins had a little hole at the center. During that time, the coins that were there, as it is shown in the image, it had a small little hole that used to be there in the center. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in his ladle and began to pour it into the gourd from a height. A ladle. A ladle is a long-handed spoon having a deep bowl for serving liquids. So he took that ladle and from a height he started pouring oil into the gourd. When the old man had finished filling up the gourd, he lifted up the coin. So after the entire oil was placed into the gourd, he lifted the coin out from the gourd. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. So after removing it out, he seen not a single trace, not a spot of oil was placed anywhere onto the coin. The oil had gone directly from the hole in the coin into the gourd. The people watching it were speechless with wonder. Speechless means unable to speak due to a surprise or wonder. But the old man only smiled. As I said, there's nothing special about it. So the old man, looking at the expression of the people, he only gave a smile and he said, as I told you all earlier, there is nothing special, there is nothing different that I am doing. It's only a matter of practice, you see. So all this perfection he has achieved over the years, doing the same job daily, the perfection he has achieved in that manner. Chen Yaozi lost all his anger and annoyance. So hearing that answer, hearing the reply that the old man had given him, he lost all his anger, he lost all his annoyance in that. He just gave a short laugh and said, "You have taught me something important today." So he looked at him and he smiled and he said that I have learned something today from you, something very, very important. After that, Chen Yaozi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. After that day, Chen Yaozi never ever boasted about himself. He never showed off to people. Students, I hope you have understood this lesson. I would now request everyone to kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.